This is how the rich are paying $0 in taxes by mining Bitcoin. My name is Colin Yergesen, and over the past 3.5 years, I've helped 95 investors save over $5 million by mining Bitcoin instead of buying it. And in this video, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint that you can use to wipe out your taxes this year and accumulate more Bitcoin for yourself and your family. So going right into it, I want to bring up this chart, which basically shows us the cost of mining one Bitcoin versus the cost of buying one Bitcoin on an exchange. Right now, we have a massive disparity between the two. Okay, mining one Bitcoin costs $91,000, whereas buying a Bitcoin spot costs $116,000. So today, you would be acquiring a Bitcoin at 21% discount compared to the spot price just by mining. Okay. The other reason why mining is so important right now and you should have exposure is because we are 2 years into this bull market. It has been up only from 15K in 2022 to now being over $116,000 in 2025. And the 4-year cycle will continue. We will have a sell-off. There will be a bear market. Maybe it's not as deep as 75% correction, but I wouldn't be surprised if we're down 50% or more by next year and you could buy Bitcoin for $70,000 or less. Okay, so this high in the cycle, I'm a miner. I don't want to be buying Bitcoin this high when I could accumulate 2 of them next year. When you mine Bitcoin, your dollar cost averaging over a 4-year period because that's the length of your mining contract. Also, the biggest part about mining that is saving people so much money is you're able to start a business around it. Okay, as you know, in order to have limited liability, you need to separate your person and your business. So you want to start an LLC because this unlocks write-offs and depreciation. So my clients are all starting their own mining businesses. They own the miners, they write off the equipment, they write off the electricity costs, the maintenance, the setup. It's all a 100% write-off in year 1, which is incredible. So now not only are we saving 21% discount on the price of the Bitcoin, we're also receiving 100% write-off, which is, if you're taxed at a marginal tax rate of 37%, you're receiving, if you spend $100,000, you're receiving a $37,000 dollar for dollar tax savings on that Bitcoin. Okay, this is the best way to accumulate Bitcoin. All right. Now, if you didn't know, Bitcoin is the best performing asset class of the last 15 years. Okay, there's never been a better performer. It outbeat gold, the S&P. If you price everything in Bitcoin and you use Bitcoin as your denominator, it's going down only. Okay, you price Amazon in Bitcoin, it goes down only. Price gold in Bitcoin, it goes down only. Your house in Bitcoin, everything is getting cheaper when you price it in Bitcoin. Okay, so you want to accumulate as much as possible because it's the hardest money of all time. And another cool fact is no one has ever lost money holding Bitcoin for a 4-year period. This is incredible. Okay. Now, I have started a mining company after I had to pay $500,000 in taxes in 2021 because I bought so much Bitcoin on the exchanges with my ordinary income and I had no write-offs and I had no depreciation. This was a very stressful time in my life and I wanted to keep accumulating Bitcoin after I paid that tax bill, but I never wanted to have to pay that much again. That's when leverage mining was born. Okay. I created this company to continue to accumulate Bitcoin while slashing my taxes. Okay. So what I've came up with is a company that has tax in mind first over everything. Okay. We factor everything into a one-time payment up front, which allows you to get 100% write-off. Okay. It's a 4-year contract. You own everything. This is your business. I'm just managing it for you. You keep 100% of the Bitcoin mined. There's absolutely no profit splits. You get to keep everything you mine. You have complete oversight of your machines at all time. And I want to show you just what it looks like to be a mining client of ours. We use F2 Pool, which is a very popular mining pool. The reason we use mining pools is because we hit block rewards every single day, and we're rewarded in the proportion of how much terahash we're contributing to the pool. So as you can see here, mine fluctuates quite a bit, but I'm contributing 3,371 terahash as of this day. And every single day you can see my Bitcoin rewards. On this specific Bitcoin mining account, I've been rewarded 1.1 Bitcoin over the time I've been online, which is incredible. This is daily rewards. Every single day we're hitting block rewards and I'm getting paid out every single time this hits 0.01. It distributes right into my cold storage. Okay, this is why it is so awesome, right? I'm earning the hardest money of all time and I don't have to think about it. And every once in a while I check my wallet and my Bitcoin is there in cold storage and it came straight from the Bitcoin block reward, which is the purest form of Bitcoin of all time. I didn't have to go through Coinbase or sign any KYC or AML. It's just straight Bitcoin and no one is snooping down my neck, okay? Next, you get a 100% write-off. This qualifies for Section 179, bonus depreciation. Trump just signed this law into effect, and it is indefinite, okay? This means it's not going away. We also provide our clients with a tax compliance checklist, which is essential for showing your accountant, making sure that they're comfortable with this investment and can incorporate it into your tax plan. I work with some of the best tax strategists in the country, and they've helped me come up with this checklist to make sure that you are on top of it. And when it comes time for filing your taxes, it's very easy. It's not a chore. You press a few buttons and everything's all good. Okay. Now, the average ROI time is 24 months since 2022, which means out of our 95 clients that we're managing, the people that signed up in 2022, they ROI'd on the US dollar value of their Bitcoin within 24 months, okay? Then the rest is all on the house. You can also invest with a self-directed IRA. So if you have an IRA custodian that allows you to invest into mining, you can go ahead and do so. And we have 95 happy clients, okay? Another really awesome benefit of leverage mining is we allow you to pay with business credit. Okay. As you know, I have a company called Credit Class that helps people leverage 0% business credit to invest in investable assets and scale their businesses. So we're able to send you an invoice for whatever package you'd like to choose, and you can pay directly with credit. You don't have to liquidate it. There's no other additional fees. Okay. And finally, leverage mining partners with tax strategy firms. This is me speaking at Carlton Dennis's Tax Alchemy event last month. This is a company that we've been partnered with for years now. Since 2022, we've been helping their clients receive massive write-offs, save money in tax, and build their wealth. Okay, we have a top tier affiliate program. So if you're watching this video right now and you are in a tax firm, or you work in finance, or you have a big mastermind and you want to have me come speak, you can have me come speak. I'll educate your audience. We'll facilitate them. We'll make sure that they're comfortable. They'll start mining, and then we'll pay you out an affiliate fee for sending your clients over. Okay, so there's many ways to work with us. Now, if you're interested in saving 4 to 6 figures in taxes this year by mining Bitcoin, then all you have to do is click the link in the description, watch the short video, write down any questions you have, and book a call to speak with me directly. Okay, we have so many happy clients, 95 clients. You can go on our Trustpilot. You can read our reviews right here. For example, let's see, Tyler Rocha joined. He paid with 0% credit. Jesse Rogers said he invested $144,000 for his 2024 tax strategy. It was the best financial decision he made all year. Not only did it reduce my tax liability, but it reduced the need to withdraw money to buy Bitcoin. Out of all my investments, real estate, stocks, bonds, this is undoubtedly the best. Okay, our investors are loyal and they continue to buy year after year. And that is what you want in a company. You want someone that is locked in, all on the same mission, believers in Bitcoin. We're not selling. We're doing this for life. Okay, every single year, the idea is you stack on more miners onto your mining business and you continue to get more write-offs and stack up your terahash and mine more Bitcoin. Okay, so if you are interested, all you have to do, click the link in the description, watch this short 20-minute video. You can also go down here and check out some of our package prices. You can see more testimonials. We have a lot of video testimonials of all of our clients, and you can go ahead and book a call here to see if you qualify. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you share it with a friend or family member that likes Bitcoin, that wants to learn more about Bitcoin and mining and save some people some taxes, and you can get paid doing so. So we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below, smash this like button, and go ahead and book a call. I'll see you on the call. Bye.